नमस्कार साथियों, आज मैं आपके लिए एक बम्पर वैकेंसी लेके आया हूँ। पब्लिश डेट 21 मई 2026। सब्जेक्ट्स वैकेंसी फॉर केजी, प्राइमरी, टीजीटी एंड पीजीटी, ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स एंड लैंग्वेजेस। Application are invited to the following teaching post: kindergarten, a graduate in any discipline and diploma or certificate in nursery. Teacher education program of a duration of not less than 2 years recognized by NCTE or state government. B.Ed nursery from recognized institute or B.Ed bachelor in elementary education from any recognized college or university. Competence to teach through English medium. Desirable knowledge of computer application. Primary. Bachelor's degree with a least 50% marks in schools teaching subjects or combination subjects and in aggregated. नेक्स्ट में आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सीटेड और स्टेट कंडक्टेड यहाँ पे मांगा गया है सीबीएसई थ्रू, और नोट सीटेड और स्टेट आर रिलैक्सेबल एट द discretion of the competent authority for the revision to the record in writing in case of candidates otherwise well qualified. साथियों, थोड़ा सा वीडियो पॉज करके पढ़ लें और अंत तक बने रहे। TGT 4 years integrated degree course of regional college of education of NCERT in the concerned subject with the at least 50% marks in aggregated. Bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks in the concerned subjects or combination of subjects and in aggregated. The elective subjects and languages in the combination of subjects. Proficiency in teaching through English medium. Desirable knowledge of computer application. Computer science, coding, artificial intelligence. At least 50% marks in aggregated in any of the following: B.Ed or B.Tech computer science or IT from a recognized university of equivalent degree or diploma recognized by the Government of India, or BE or B.Tech any stream and postgraduate diploma in computers from recognized university, or BSc computer science or BCA or equivalent from a recognized university, or graduate in any discipline and A-level course from DOEC of Ministry of Information and Communication Technology, GOI. Note: for subsequent promotion, the incumbent will have acquire B.Ed or equivalent degree. अब बात करते हैं BGT की। 2 years integrated post graduate MSc course of UNL College of Education NCERT in the concerned subject, or a postgraduate in concerned subject with at least 50% marks from a recognized university and a B.Ed from recognized institute as per the NCTE regulation notified on 10th December 2027, or master degree from a recognized university with at least 50% marks in aggregated in all subjects. Number 2, B.Ed or equivalent degree from recognized university. प्रोफिशिएंसी इन टीचिंग इन इंग्लिश मीडियम। नीचे में आप नोट देख सकते हैं साथियों, थोड़ा वीडियो पॉज करके यहाँ पे देख लें, और हो सके तो सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करें, साथ में हाइप करना ना भूलें। आज इतना ही, धन्यवाद।